Today we're gonna be restoring this plastic. Bring the shine back to it. It's just lost its beauty over time, and we're gonna be fixing that today. We're not gonna spend a whole lot of money on it. It's just gonna be a cheap restoration. So, this is where I'm at so far. Sanded down this fender. It's nice and smooth and shiny. Also, go over it with a heat torch or whatever. And then wipe it down with a rag while it's drying or while it's cooling. This still has soap on it. I'm trying to get that a little bit cleaner. But yeah, this compared to this, huge difference. So for heating this up, you don't want to overheat it. But just go over it until it's shiny. And I don't know if you can see it good on this white, but you can see it cool down. And it doesn't get, it loses its shine. And that's when you go over it with a rag. You definitely don't want to overheat this. But you can see it get shiny. That's what you want. It's not very clean yet. But I'm not going for perfection. It's already better than it was. No. Just go over it with a rag. This smooths out some of the scratches, not all of them. It won't fix the deep ones. The main things that I did to it was just sand it down with some steel wool. Then I went over it with some lighter sandpaper. I did this all while it was wet. Here's it's like a sand cloth. I don't know what it's called. It's not sandpaper. But yeah, sanded it down wet, wipe it down with a rag, and then do some Lucas speed wax on it, make it nice and shiny. Yeah, after you sand it down, get it how you want it, then you just go over it with the torch. Don't get it too hot. Wait for it to cool a little bit and go over it with a rag. And then you can do your Lucas speed wax. And this is how it turns out. Really nice. So, the final product, drastically different than it was before tonight. I did this all in 2.5 hours. You can see the light reflects off the fenders. Way better than it was before. I'm not going for perfection with this. It turned out really good, I think. It did leave scratches, sanding the white corrosion off, but it's definitely worth it. We don't have new stickers for it. But this is the after.